It's LT Missy here, coming at you with another new opportunity that we can all get involved in right here. And this right here is going to be called the LongTerm EA. It's a new copy trading opportunity that we can get involved in. Right now, it is currently available on two different brokers, one being regulated and the other one being unregulated. So before I get to this video, I like to say that I'm not a financial advisor. I do not advise one to invest or spend their money. All I do is show opportunities that I believe that could be beneficial to anyone around the world. So with that said, let's get into this video. So LongTerm EA don't have a really long history, but it seems like, you know, from what I've been looking at and paying attention to, they're planning on being here for a long term, and they're the real deal. I mean, if you got a copy trading strategy on a regulated broker, which is RoboForex, which I did a video earlier going over this broker, introducing another copy trade opportunity, then you know that you're the real deal. You can't fake doing a KYC and everything like that with a regulated broker. All right, you know, so this is where they at, and now they just made themselves available on FXSway. So this allows everyone, to include people in the United States, Canada, Australia, all those countries that's restricted from RoboForex, to be able to participate with copying the strategy of this PAMM. And this is what I've been recommending people in my group go ahead and join as well. So now let's go right here. So this is what they did profit wise back on the 21st. Okay, so 0.87%. This has not been updated. I don't think it has. Let me see. Refresh the screen here. And so actually this is from the 21st. So overall, I think for the week it's 0.87%. I don't know if they're in a drawdown or not over here in this account. As you can see, you come down, you can see all the trades that they've done so far on RoboForex, all the wins, all the losses, and so we got like 10 pages of trading here. So these guys are the real deal. You see, there's a lot of wins compared to losses here, and this is what we expect them to do as well on FXSway. Now we understand it's a different broker, different spreads, and all this other type of stuff, but they have a good history or connection with the owner of FXSway as well. And so they're guaranteeing us pretty much that it's going to be more or less on the same level what they're doing on RoboForex. Okay, now the thing over here with RoboForex is that so they got a 20% profit weekly split over here on RoboForex, and also the minimum to deposit over here will be $1,000. So what they did, they end up moving everything over to FXSway. So FXSway will allow them to be able to, let me go ahead and show you this, and then we'll go through the deposit process and get linked up and everything as well. So let me go ahead and show you what FXSway is going to allow everyone to be able to do. That's an old account that I'm deleting right now. And let's go right here, and we're going to type in LongTerm, and you can see it pop up. We're going to go to the USD. So you can see over here, they're doing 20% profit split, and that's going to be paid on a monthly basis, not on a weekly basis over here on FXSway. Typically, drawdown stays under 5% drawdown. And so they got a Telegram link for you to join the Telegram. So you can see the offer here. The thing is that you only need a minimum of $100 to join over here at FXSway compared to $1,000 on RoboForex. So not only are they making it accessible to more countries, but they also making it accessible financially for everyone around the world as well. And so this is what I'm gonna be getting involved in here shortly. But before I continue on, let's go over to the Telegram, and this is the pinned messages. They got 13 pinned messages over here because the group just started on the 21st, and that's how long their trading history has been on RoboForex as well. So you can see this is the link to RoboForex if you want to join with RoboForex. But remember, it's a minimum of $1,000, and but this is what they did over RoboForex as well. So they're targeting 20 to 30% per month, and you know, so their daily target is like 1% per day. If they hit that, you know, or not, that's okay. That's just their average. That's their target. Not meaning that they're going to get the 1% per day, but that's what they're aiming for. So on RoboForex, you're able to withdraw 24/7, and you know, so that's a good thing as well. You can draw your trading capital as well. Now, you know, FXSway, I believe FXSway allows us to withdraw daily as well, if I remember correctly. So we'll go down here. You can see what they've been showing with their trading history right here as well on RoboForex. Like I said, the real deal. See the wins, see the losses. They're not hiding anything, okay? And that right there was with a $3,000 trading account, I think it was. If you see it down here at the bottom when it goes down here, yeah, $3,000 trading account. You can see what it did trading wise. And so they're sharing their results right here inside the group. They update us on their trading strategy adjustments when there's heavy news coming. Like they got it to where automatically adjust the lot size to be a whole lot lower during heavy news or red folder events throughout the week. And so that's another announcement they had made, but they did not pin that here in the messages. But I did remember saying that that comment that they shared to the group. And this is an open group chat as well, so you can ask your questions and they'll respond to you. Okay. So I'm just showing you the PAMM messages. So this right here is just more information right here from what they did result wise on RoboForex. And it says we could have easily gone for 1% plus, but there was a heavy news red folder event from C, so we didn't want to risk anything. That's important. You don't want people to risk your money, especially during heavy news events. So if they got trades open up, of course, you know, they're gonna try to close those trades out before the red folder hits. If not, they'll have trades to where it has really low risk, and they're gonna lower the lot size during those red folder events. So that way they don't have too much risk in those trades during those red folder events. And so that's it. We had a vote and everything like that for NVFS FXSway. They went over. There's a good thing that it went to FXSway because you're able to withdraw more frequently on FXSway, and the withdrawal requests are processed a whole lot faster than NVFS as well. Okay, so NVFS is has been around longer, but FXSway is faster. Okay, and so they let you know what's going on. Like I said, you know, just keep you updated. And just you can see all the information. They also helping people pass like prop firm challenges as well, so they share information about that. And so just go right through here and you can find all the information. And this right here was the PAMM message, the announcement today, letting everybody know that the copy trading strategy is now available on FXSway. So this right here is the link to create your FXSway account if you didn't have one created. And also this is the link going directly to the PAMM account on FXSway. So, you know, of course, when you do your account creation with FXSway, you want to do your KYC first. And that's what they're saying right here. And then, so once you do your KYC, you get approved. Next thing you want to do, you want to fund your USD wallet, which I'm going to show you that process as well. And then you want to create a PAMM investor account, which I already have one created. And make an internal transfer from USD wallet to your PAMM investor account. Sign up to your PAMM account or to our PAMM account. So I'm about to do all of that right now, and it's gonna be a minimum of $100, but I'm gonna put in probably like $550. All right. So now let's go ahead and get back over here, and we're gonna go to the dashboard here. So when you sign up, you create your account for the first time. You know, you want to do your KYC. So get your link from me or whoever it is that you're going to be joining underneath, and the FXSway. And then you want to go ahead and do your KYC first. So when your KYC is done and approved, then you want to go ahead and make a deposit. So let's go ahead and do a deposit of funds right now. And so that way that's going to be good. Actually, you know what? No, I'm going to show you the walkthrough first of creating an account. So I can't really do it because it's already grayed out. So when you come, after you do your KYC, you want to go ahead and create an account. And so you want to do the FXSway MT4 PAMM investor account. And then you're going to click on create account. You know, and that is just that easy. And you know, so you're going to select the currency for USD. That's what we're going to be depositing for the wallet. And then after you create your account, you want to go ahead and do a deposit. So I'm going to select the USDT ERC20, and then I'm going to select the USD wallet, and I'm going to say that I'm putting in 550. Okay, so I'm going to redirect myself to the payment page here for FXSway. So it's a very simple process. If you're familiar with NVFS, then this is no different pretty much, okay? You withdraw, you can deposit in different cryptos, but you don't withdraw in Bitcoin, all right? So now I got the wallet address copy here. Let's go back here to my Exodus wallet, and I'm going to send out $550. All right, so that's how much it said I get in return. Well, let's say it's 551. Let's do that, 551. And now I'm going to go ahead and send that out. Okay, now that is done. Okay, and now I'm gonna minimize that. I'm just gonna sit right here and let me see, you know, just pretty much that they accepted the payment. Okay, so I'm gonna go and pause the video during this time, and then I resume once I get the deposit inside my wallet. Okay, so now I got the funds sitting right in my wallet now for USD wallet, and that took probably like a minute and a half of waiting for the USDT ERC20 to be transferred in and then confirmed by FXSway, the broker here. And so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do an internal transfer. So once you get due the deposit, you want to do an internal transfer, and you want to say from wallet to trading platform. So we're going to do wallet trading platform. We're going to do this, select the USD wallet, and then you want to select your PAMM investor account on wallet. And so what we're going to do, we're going to put in the amount that's shown up here in the wallet. So 551.74, that's what I'm putting in. You could be putting in less, you could be putting in more. All right, but now I'll go ahead and put in request transfer, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on transfer. So it's very similar to NVFX if you're familiar with NVFX as well. And now that is done. So I'll go right to my accounts, and you'll be able to see here that now I have the money showing up in my PAMM investor account wallet. So what's next? I'm going to click on my wallet here, and we're going to go ahead and link up to the LongTerm EA account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on register for an account, and I'm going to go to the search and type in long term. And it should come up right there. So we're gonna go to the USD. They got two of them. They got Euro and USD, but we're gonna use the USD. Okay. And so this is the one. I said it has a minimum of $100. Actually, let's go back and see what the Euro is saying as well. All right. Let's see if there's anything different. Okay, there's nothing here really. So now if you go into here and you don't see any information, you're in the wrong one. All right. So let's go back out. Type in long term again. And so we go to LongTerm EA USD. Now this is where all the information is at. There's a Telegram link and all the information that you need to know about this PAMM account. And so now you're going to get your password, not the password that you use for the your account creation for FXSway. It's going to be your PAMM account password. They're going to email it to you. So I can't remember which one it was. Was it the trader password or the investor password? I think it's the... Let's try investor password. I can't remember. I'm gonna try one of them and see if it works. If it works, then you know which one to use. All right. So this right here is the investor password that I'm trying with right now. And you also want to make sure that you put in the right amount that you want to deposit. So if you can't remember that, just go up to the top of the screen, 551.74. So let's go ahead and copy that, and let's put this in right here. See here, and copy that, and I don't know why that did that again. I think I got hit the scroll wheel. There we go. So I'm gonna click out now, and let's see. I'm agreed to the PAMM service, and I'm gonna click on invest. So that's an invalid password. All right. So no, that's not the right one. So it's not the investor password. I think it's the trader password. So let me go to that, copy that, and which I got on my phone here, and paste that in. And now let's try to invest. So now that was a success. So you're going to use your trader password to link. Now at this moment, you're just going to wait for them to accept your deposit, the traders that is, which is there are 3 of them. And once they accept it, then you just sit back and just let them do all the trading for you. And you decide on your strategy to take profit, grow your account, all this other type of stuff as well. So that right there is pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go back into the Telegram, and let's get out of the pinned messages here. And so you can see how people are interacting and everything in here in the group as well. Let's go down here through the chat history, because I want to see that if I can find that one message when they announced the adjustments that they made during Red News Folder events. And so that way you can get a better understanding of how transparent these guys are. All right. So let me go through all these messages. There's a lot of them in these few days that they've been right here in the Telegram communicating to everybody. So we're going to see, where was that? I joined on the 22nd, and I don't want to pass over it. I could easily pass over the information, and because it's not that much information in here, and I can't remember exactly how it looked when I first saw it. So let me see. Here's one of the traders as well. So this is when they was deciding on which broker they was going to go to. So they created a list, and then they ended up creating a poll for us to decide between NVFX and FXSway. So let me see here. Let me keep on going down. And so yeah, it's like communications here. This open chat. This is what I like about it. You don't find it too often at all. Okay, so you know, when you get into these trading group accounts and everything like that, the chat is closed off to where you can't ask questions and apply or anything like that. But these guys left it open, so they want to be as open and transparent as possible for all of the people that's following their trading strategy. And I can't find it right now. So this right here is from RoboForex. Of course, this right here is what we get emailed as well. All of the trading activity that we did in our accounts every single day. RoboForex does that. And let me see, keep going down here. I can't even find the information when they updated about what they was going to do. So it says new EA settings applied. So this, I'll get into it right now. And so it says right here, so it's better lot size for the current balance of RoboForex news filter, minimize lot size during red folder news, and different daily target goal. So that's what they did on RoboForex, and I'm pretty sure they're going to do the same thing on FXSway. And but that pretty much is all that I wanted to go over in this video for a long-term EA. Of course, I don't have any trading results of my own, but you know, you can come here and you know, if you're able to, I can probably share this link right here for RoboForex, and so that way you can see the trading history here, and you can make a decision on if you want to join this PAMM or not in FXSway. So the thing is, it's like I did a video earlier on RoboForex that's only available to you know, certain jurisdictions. So a lot of those big jurisdictions like United States, Canada, Australia, Brazil as well, and Japan, you're not even allowed to use RoboForex, right along some other countries as well. So what they did was made it accessible for everyone on FXSway to be able to join the PAMM account and, you know, let them trade for you passively. And I believe these guys are trying to be here for as long as they possibly can, especially with the communication that I've already witnessed, and you know, just the adjustments that they've done recently in just this 1 week time of trading that they did on RoboForex. So yeah, I will provide this link right here so you can look over the copy trading account in RoboForex, and then you make a decision if you want to join or not. All right, so that's all I have to say for right now. If you like what you heard and saw, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in joining long-term EA on FXSway, I'll have my link down, my links down in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. If you heard of long-term EA from someone else, please get back with that person. Use their links to go ahead and create your account, start generating passive income, and show us how to do the same thing. So that's all I'd say for right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time in the next video. Take care, everyone.